In case you're experiencing a bug with your sharing list on Instagram when trying to share posts or reels, I'm here to show you how to fix it. Currently, some users are facing an issue where, when they want to share a reel or post, the sharing list is disorganized, showing random accounts at the top while their close or frequent contacts are pushed to the bottom or not visible at all. This has been an on and off issue for some time, although it's just a glitch on Instagram. While the best solution is to update the app and report the problem to Instagram, I'll provide a quick workaround to help you share posts with your close or frequently contacted friends. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up so that YouTube recommends it to others. Now here is a quick workaround. Open the Instagram app, then locate the post or reel you want to share. Next, tap on the share icon. Now you'll still see some random accounts appear, but at the bottom, there are other options like add to story, copy link, share, and so on. Tap on the share option. Next, you'll see a list of suggested apps to share with, so scroll through and select the Instagram app. So when you select the Instagram app, you'll be taken to the messages section where you'll see your frequently interacted with accounts. You can also search for a specific account if needed, and once you locate the account you'd like to share with, just tap send and that's it. Your post will be shared with your friend. Now until Instagram finally fixes this option should keep things running smoothly, and remember, keeping your app updated helps avoid future bugs.